All right, right now we're at the Sultan Center parking lot. Today is May 10th. It's Mother's Day. We're in Kuwait. Today's the first day of our lockdown. At 4 p.m. today, we're gonna be on curfew. Good morning from Kuwait. Morning, guys. It's been a while. So right now it's May 10th. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And right now I am watching UFC in the morning, so I was able to get the UFC. It took a while. I had to get it on my phone, and on top of that, I had to select the Spanish broadcast, but it's working. Bap, bap. Oh, get him. Get him. Good morning, Jasmine.
Good morning, Baby.
We got a big UFC update. We got the computer working. So we don't have to watch the Spanish one on the iPhone. So I'm here in the Sultan Center parking lot. That's the grocery store here in Kuwait. Rain's inside. I told her to go because they have a separate line for women and men, and she's gonna get some groceries, pick up a few things. But today is the first day of our lockdown. We're gonna go full lockdown. So starting today at 4 p.m. we're gonna go into full lockdown, and after that you can't leave your house, you can't get home delivery. Certain people are gonna have permits to go to work, do all that stuff. They did designate 2 hours every day from 4:30 to 6:30 to go outside your house and exercise, but you have to do it carefully. No using your cars at that time. And guess what? We're gonna start daily vlogging. So awesome, right? So stay tuned, and we'll try to make it a fun quarantine time for everyone. Peace.
Hi everyone, today officially later at 4 p.m. Kuwait, we're gonna have the 24 hours lockdown. So that means you need to get your groceries, you need to get your medicines before the official lockdown. I'm gonna go Sultan Center, and this is like one of the centers here in Kuwait, and we will see how the line is. Those are the line of the people going for a grocery. Social distancing. We'll see where's the line for women, because the one that's in line right now is all men. I just barely made it. I think I waited for like an hour. Busy here. It's mostly empty.
So it's been like 2 hours since we got to the grocery store, and rain is still inside.
I finally get done with the groceries, and I'm in line for the counter. So counter is a little bit busy, but upstairs it's empty. And that's how I spend Mother's Day. I fall in line for like 45 minutes. I went to the grocery store for like an hour, witnessed like 4 kinds of fights, witnessed people like cutting off the line, and no shopping cart, and there are some aisles that's empty. There are things that you need that they doesn't have, and you have to bag yourself your groceries, and what else? No potatoes!
Happy Mother's Day to you. I brought you to the supermarket for a shopping spree.
That is the kind of shopping spree, my friend, I don't want to do again.
Today is Mother's Day, and we're gonna do something special. We're gonna make Mommy a cake. First, we're gonna give Mommy a decoration mask. I'm gonna put Happy. There's Happy. And then this is Mother's Okay, and then this one says day. Put on this one. You wear this one? Jasmine, you wear this one. This one goes in the middle?
Happy Mother's Day!
Okay, let's go
Here's
make her a cake.
Mama.
Let's go make her a cake. Get right here.
Mama, that's my cake.
Move, Jasmine. I need that chair.
Go,
Wait. We're gonna use these Twinkies right here, and we're gonna make Mommy an awesome cake. Yeah, we'll get a think on that. Wait, wait. Like that, ready? Okay. Hold on. What is cotton candy?
Do we have some?
Yeah, here.
We don't have one.
Here, take that one.
Do we eat these?
You eat that one. I'm gonna make this one right in the middle like this. Wow, does that look good?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, wait. Let me take your picture. This. Okay. Is it good now?
Yeah.
Everyone's happy?
Yeah.
Say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day!
Let's go surprise Mom with the cake now.
Hey, give me a second to wipe my mask
Go
off.
ahead. You got a cake right there. Jasmine, this is a gift too. Jacob, you hold the cake. Here's another gift.
What?
You hold that gift. So you got that gift, you got that gift, and Jasmine, where's your gift? And put it in your mask. You guys ready? When we surprise Mommy, we're gonna say Happy Mother's Day. Okay? Let's go.
Say, Mommy, we have a surprise for you. Hey, that day, guys. Mommy, we got a surprise for you. Ta-da! Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day, Mommy!
They got you presents.
Here you go.
I want to quarantine Mother's Day. Thank you.
You got pink frosting right now?
Get the whipped cream right now.
Oh, God!
God, you almost knocked over the camera.